Hi guys, with me again Aji Kurniawan Yusuf. So in the previous video, I have shared to you about how to calculate present value and future value for ordinary annuity, annuity due, and also perpetuity. And also there is quick formula to calculate present value and also the future value. But I believe that some of you will think that it's still complicated. Because of that, I have several ways to make you easier to calculate the present value and also future value of the annuity. In this video, I will teach you how to calculate present value and future value of annuity using Microsoft Excel. Other than Microsoft Excel, actually you can also use financial calculator. You can also have the financial calculator in your phone by downloading in your App Store or in the Play Store. Okay, let's start to calculate present value and also future value of annuity using Microsoft Excel using previous case in this video to compare the result between the result of our calculation and Microsoft Excel result. Let's open your Microsoft Excel and then let's try to find out the answer of previous question in this video using Microsoft Excel. So, let's make this table, period 0, period 1, period 2, and also period 3. Each 100, 100, and also 100. The interest rate is 5% per period, and number of period is 3. Period 1, period 2, and also period 3. Because it starts from period 1, so it is ordinary annuity. To calculate the present value, you can type this formula equals PV, open bracket, the rate, it is 5%, right? Just put here the rate 5%, semicolon, N per is the period, it is N, 3, right? Just put here 3, and then PMT, PMT is payment. As we know that the payment in this case is 100, but this is one thing that you have to know. Present value and future value in Microsoft Excel will have different sign with PMT. So if the present value or the future value is positive, it means the PMT will be negative. If the PMT is positive, present value or future value will be negative. Why? Because like this. If you want to get money in the present value or future value, of course you need to invest money, right? So this is the inflow and this is the outflow. Because of that, PMT and also present value and future value will have different sign. In this case, you want to calculate present value. Of course, you expect that the present value is positive. That's why you can add negative sign in the PMT. So minus 100. And then semicolon, because you don't know the FV, just type the semicolon again. And then 0 is for the end of the period. It is for ordinary annuity, right? 1 is for beginning of the period. It is for annuity due. Because this is ordinary annuity, so choose 0. Okay? Close bracket, and then you will find the present value in your 0 is 272.32. It is the same, right, with our previous calculation, 272.32. How about the future value? Same. Just use the formula equals FV, not PV, yeah, FV, open bracket, the rate, number of period, this is 3, PMT, don't forget put minus 100, the PV, just directly type semicolon, and then choose 0 because ordinary annuity. 315.25. Look at the previous answer in the previous video. It is the same, right? 315.25. Now let's talk about annuity due. As we know that annuity due start from now or start from today. So it starts from period 0 and then period 1 and then period 2. So let's calculate the present value equals present value, open bracket, the rate 5%. The N per is the period or N, it is 3. PMT, don't forget to put negative sign. FV, we don't know, so skip it. and then the type is 1 because it is annuity due beginning of the period. It equals to 285.94. Let's go to our previous calculation in the previous video. It gives the same value, 285.94. Then how about the future value? FV, open bracket, the rate is 5%, the NPER is 3, PMT, don't forget to put negative sign, the PV, just keep it, and then the type is 1, close bracket. Then we can find the future value in year 3 is 331.01. In our previous calculation, it is 331.0125. Okay, let's round into 4 decimal. Same, right? 331.0125. Go to the third case to calculate the PMT. Jacqueline purchased a car in the amount of $10,000. The loan has 12% PA interest rate for 3 years. Calculate monthly payment she has to pay if she starts to pay the loan next month and this month. Okay, we can know the present value is $10,000, right? Just put here 10,000. The rate per period, okay, 12% is per year because it is monthly, so just divide 12% with 12. Okay, equals 12% divided by 12. It is 1%. How about the N? Because it is 3 years, so just 3 times 12. It is 36. Now, how to calculate PMT for ordinary annuity? So, equals, use this formula. PMT, open bracket, the rate, same yeah, 1%. The NPER is 36. And then the PV. Okay, as I mentioned before that PV and PMT will have different sign. If we look for the PMT, we expect the PMT is positive. Because of that, we put negative sign for PV. So, negative PV. Okay, future value we don't know, just keep it. And then the type is 0 because ordinary annuity in the end of the period. We can find the PMT 332.14. How about annuity due? Same way, PMT, open bracket, the rate, the N, the PV, put the negative sign of PV, FV, just keep it, the type is 1. We can find the PMT is 328.85. If we compare with our previous calculation in the previous video, the PMT of ordinary annuity, same 332.14, and for annuity due, it is also same 328.85. Wow, using Microsoft Excel, it is quicker, it is easier, and have the same result, right? Hopefully, this video is beneficial for you to calculate present value and future value of annuity easier.